Hello students, let's continue with our lesson number 2, Thank You Friend. Today I am taking the comprehension. Comprehension means to understand what I read. We have previously read the lesson number 2, Thank You Friend, and now let's move to the comprehension part and make an effort to find out answers for the given questions. Exercise A. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. There are 4 questions in exercise A and is asked us to circle the correct option. Each question has 2 options to choose from. The 2 options are in the brackets. Let's begin with the first question. The friends met every day or Sundays and spent time with each other. When did all 4 friends, that is, deer, crow, mouse, and tortoise, meet? Was it on Sundays or every day? Next, question number 2. One day, the deer got trapped in a cup or net. Where did the deer trap? Was it in a cup or was it in a net? Question number 3. The crow picked the mouse up and flew to the river bank or school. Where did the crow fly, picking the mouse up? Was it on a river bank or to a school? The last question. The deer thought of a plan to save the crow or the tortoise. For whom did the deer think plan to save from the hunter? Was it for crow or was it for tortoise? I assume all of you picked up the correct options. Now let's look over the correct choice. The friends met every day and spent time with each other. Second one. One day the deer got trapped in a net. Third one. The crow picked the mouse up and flew to the river bank. And the last question. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. Next, the exercise B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. Question 1. Why don't you stay with us? Second question. I'll look around for him. And the last one. If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. This exercise is asking you to search for the character names who said these words. In this lesson, it could be mouse, crow, deer, or tortoise. Let's read the first one. Why don't you stay with us? Where will you find these words in the story? You will spot these words on page 14. When the deer sat down and said, I am safe now, in reply, the tortoise asked the deer, why don't you stay with us? Next question. Number 2. I look around for him. These words you will find again on page 14. One morning, the deer didn't come. Then the crow said, I will look around for him. The third one. If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. Look on page 15. When the tortoise told that we must do something to save the deer from the hunter, the mouse said. Now let's check the correct answers. Why don't you stay with us? The tortoise said, I will look around for him. The crow said, if the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. The mouse said. That's all for now. Write these answers in your notebook. See you next time. Bye.